Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Game again. We're another Lost Sword content. People are having an argument. They're getting confused because I got confused as well. Um, they posted at us this one. It's like a coupon code, but it's a secret wherein you need to guess the silhouette of this character in Discord. But they posted like a character in in Facebook. Yeah, I'm an old guy. I have Facebook. Okay, so don't flame me. Okay, so this would be, where's my, okay, so this would be the one in Facebook. I'm not quite sure why is Claire gonna be the coupon code, and looks like she's gonna be the next character coming in. So as you can see here, September week 4 community event. So you get one character pool, one pet pool. She doesn't have her stick here. I don't know. Like again, it's written there on the top, Longinus. So Longinus spear, it's either Lohen Green or Ava in a way, but like people like long hair and everything else. This looks like Lohen Green. I was trying to type it, but like it's not really her. So let's type it in the coupon code. You need to do this until October 23. So please guys, just the coupon code is Claire. Okay, I know she doesn't look like it, but it's Claire despite the Longinus there. So let's go to the game. Uh, let's go to the game and let's see and type it down. Okay, so let's go to here. Let's go here, and then let's go to my account. I'm not gonna delete my account. Claire. Okay, Claire, and redeem. So Claire is the coupon code, guys. Okay, it's not Lohen Green because like if I type Lohen Green, so that's not the one. Okay. So I don't know why where's her stick. I'm not quite sure what happened there, but like technically that's your coupon code. Your coupon code is Claire. Okay. So for people who are trying to like scratch their heads, going into who will be the new coupon code there, that's the coupon code. Okay. Silhouette quiz. So let's click this one again. I'm just gonna make this one um, a thumbnail. Who is the character? Everybody got maybe I think her stick, it looks like a Longinus spear as well, Evangelion in a way, but like it is what it is, but like I'm not into the lore of Lost Sword. I'm just there for the waifus. But it's kind of funny. It like initially when I started watching that, looks like funny, like Konosuba in a way. But again, Claire is your coupon code. Please do like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and that's it for me. This is again 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.